In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call functionality in Hubspot, a comprehensive guide designed to be completed in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once the homepage is loaded, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it and proceed to sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged into your Hubspot account, it's important to configure your phone number. This setup is crucial as it will enable you to make and receive calls within the platform. Without this step, your call functionality won't work properly. So let's ensure you get this right by heading straight to the settings. Now go to the settings icon, which you can find in the top navigation bar. Clicking this will take you to a myriad of options. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming, just keep focused on what we need to do next. In the settings panel, cast your eyes to the left sidebar and select General. From there you'll see an option called Calling. Click on this to access the calling setup page. In order to unlock the full calling features, signing up with a starter customer platform is necessary. If you're unsure about how to do this, HubSpot's website provides detailed instructions on signing up for the starter customer platform, making it a breeze even if you're new to using it. Once you've signed up, you have a few different options on how to proceed with calling. Let's break these options down. The first is to acquire a number provided by HubSpot itself. This option is relatively straightforward. HubSpot will allocate you a number that you can use to both make and receive calls, making the whole process seamless without any external dependencies. Another option you may prefer is registering your own outbound phone number, especially useful if you have an existing number that you're already accustomed to using. This way you won't have to juggle multiple numbers, keeping things simple and efficient. Lastly, if you're already using third-party services like AirCall or Zoom, there's good news. HubSpot allows for easy integration with these providers, offering you flexibility and the convenience of merging your existing communication tools right into the HubSpot environment. Simply follow the prompts to connect your third-party services, and you'll be ready to rock your phone calls directly through HubSpot. And there you have it, a complete setup to enable calling within HubSpot. Remember, having these options means you can tailor your HubSpot call functionality to suit your specific needs. I hope this guide has been helpful. Now, you're all set to make calls with ease and efficiency right from your HubSpot account. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next tutorial.